Hello, my name is Yvonne, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. I have some exciting news to share. Did you know that our Summer Discovery program has started? This is our annual celebration of reading, learning, and curiosity for people of all ages, and I would like to invite you, your family, and your friends to sign up for this exciting program. As part of our Summer Discovery program, we have created a Summer Discovery Take Home Activity Kit. Today, I will be showing you how to use our Play and Learn with Play-Doh kit. At the end of our demonstration, I will provide a link to our online summer discovery program to sign up online, or you can visit your local library to pick up a game card. Play-Doh is an easy way to introduce sensory play and spark creativity in children. Squishing Play-Doh is lots of fun and makes little hands stronger by developing fine and gross motor skills. Included in this kit is Play-Doh and a dough tool. Encourage your child to squish, roll, poke, and pound the Play-Doh. Introducing the dough tool for additional hand-eye coordination challenges. Use this as the perfect opportunity to discuss new vocabulary words like soft, squishy, or sticky. And don't forget to ask questions while you are playing. What did you make? What do you think that looks like? Does that look like a worm or a cookie? Simple questions such as these can open the door to creativity and dramatic play. Play-Doh can also be used like a stress ball. Squeezing it can be calming and comforting to children. Try speaking in a soft, soothing voice, singing a song, or using the moment as a chance to talk about feelings and emotions. The possibilities of Play-Doh are limitless. How about watching Play-Doh and clay in action with Gumby? With your library card, you can access many episodes of The Adventures of Gumby on Hoopla. We hope you enjoyed the Summer Discovery Take-Home Activity Kit. You can sign up for our Summer Discovery program at a location near you or online at lacountylibrary.org/summer-discovery. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now!